Assalamu alaikum, Shabab. Shabab, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
There? Wa alaikum salam. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing wa alaikum salam. Thank you very much, brother. You are all welcome today. So you guys remember last week we ended at the problem solving, and still we have some more problems to solve. So please let us start the problems. So if you guys remember, we ended at problem number 3.3. So inshallah today we will start with the problem 3.4. So please read, brother, please read. Brother Ali, please read. Yashaba, please read. Page 24. Problem 3.4, page 24. Yashabab. Yashabab, please read. Brother Ali Alawad, please read.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, please read the problem.
Page 24, teacher. Question 3.4.
3.4, yeah, please. Page 24.
Yes, teacher. For a proportional control action, manual reset is 50. For gain
Manual
1.
reset is 50, Shabab? Yes.
For gain 1 and 2. For
There
gain
are
1
two
and
gains, 1 and 2. Two gains are there.
yes. Find the output of the controller and draw it for the error as follows.
So we need to find the output and we need to draw it. So this is our question, Shabab. So how we should start? Who will suggest what we should do? From where we should start?
We should find the first teacher the output.
So first we need to know how many parts this curve has. Yes, Shabab, this error curve, this is the error curve. How many parts it has? This is time 0, this is time 0, and this is time t1. Right, Shabab? Minutes. Minutes. So, how many parts this curve has, Shabab?
It has two
Yes,
parts,
Shabab.
teacher.
Two parts. Which one? Very good. Which one?
The upper one and the lower one, teacher.
Think again. Whenever we are talking about the parts, we are talking about the time and change.
Yes, teacher. From 0 to 1 and from 1 to the unknown time.
From 0 to t1 and t1
Yes.
to onward. Right? So what we will do, we will draw here a line. Right, Shabab? And here the time is t is less than or equal to t1 and greater than or equal to 0 minutes. Right, Shabab? And what is the time here? T is greater than or equal to t1 minutes. Everybody with me, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers are writing yes. So now from 0 to t1, what is the error, Shabab? From 0 to t1, what is the error?
0, teacher.
0. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 0. So here the error is 0%. Okay. From t1 to onward, what is the error? From t1 to onward, what is the error? This is dotted line. Dotted line does not have any value. These are the dotted lines. The solid lines, they have the value. So what is the error after t1, Shabab?
1, teacher.
What about this one?
1 and minus 1.
So not 2. Lot of brothers they are writing 2. No, not 2. There are 2 errors. Here in this region we have 2 errors. Here again we draw a line. Error is 1% and error is -1%. Both errors are there parallel. See here, 1% is also there, -1% is also there. Both are there. Okay, and we need to, it is a proportional controller. Which type of controller is this? Proportional controller. P controller here. P controller, right, Shabab? 2 gains we have, 1 and 2, and we have 1 MR. So gain, we have 2 gains. One is 1 and other is 2. So again, we have to have 2 gains here. So what we do, we make a line here, 1 line here again, and 1 line here again. So Kc is equal to 1, Kc is equal to 2, Kc is equal to 1, Kc is equal to 2, right, Shabab? Kc is equal to 1 and Kc is equal to 2. All these gains are there. So now it is proportional action, so very easy to find. So M is equal to, yeah, Shabab, what is M is equal to for proportional action?
KE plus MR.
KCE plus MR. Very good. Very good. So how much KC here? 1. What is error?
0.
0. What is MR? MR is what, Shabab? MR
10.
50. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing 50. That's very good, mashallah. So how much is this, Shabab? 50%. Right, Shabab? How much here M? Same. How much KC? No, KC is 2. Right, Shabab? What is error? What is
0.
error here? What is MR? 50 again. So 50%. Because this will be 0, so 50%. Okay. How much M is here? KC how much about? 1. How much error? MR 50. So how much?
51.
51%. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 51%. Very good. How much is here? M is equal to KC 2 error plus 50. How much about?
52.
52. Very good. 52%. How much here?
With -1.
KC 1 error -1 plus MR 50. How much?
49.
49. Very good. 49%. How much here, Shabab?
-1.
Very good. Here KC is 2 multiplied by -1 plus 50. How much, Shabab?
48.
48. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 48%. So this is the solution. So now we can put the numbers with them for our ease. So we can say this is M1, this is M2, this is M3, this is M4, this is M5, this is M6. Like this. Right, Shabab? So how many outputs are there? 6 outputs are there. Okay, now we need to draw them. From 0 to T1, from 0 to T1, how much is the output? Both outputs are same. 50%, 50%. Right, Shabab? Same. So we bring it here. From 0 to T1, this is from 0, this is our output, right? from 0 to T1, both the outputs are same. That is 50%, 50%. So what we do, we'll draw a straight line. We say it is 50% and it is M1 and M2. Like this. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me? That's good. Now from onward, T1 onward, we have how many outputs, Shabab?
6 or
4 outputs. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, this is the time. T greater than equal to T1 minutes. We have 4 outputs. Okay. 48, 49, 51, 52. So here again dotted line, no value. So this is 48, 49, 48 is what? M6, 49 is what? M5, and 51, 52. So this is 50, this is 50. So we have 51 and 52. So 51 is M3 and 52 is M4. So all the 6 outputs are there. So these are the straight lines because none of them is changing with the time. So they are all constant. So we draw all the straight lines. Shabab with me?
question.
Yeah, please ask. Thank you. A lot of brothers they are saying yes. Yes, please ask the question. Yes.
Because I come late, a little late. Why we put 2 error and for that?
We did not put the 2 errors. It is given. It is given here. See the question. This is error. From 0 to T1, no error, 0. At T1, it becomes 1% and minus 1% simultaneously. At the same time, it becomes 1%, minus 1%. So we just took it as it is. See here. So we say from T is less than or equal to T1, greater than 0, error is 0, and T is greater than or equal to T1, 2 errors, plus 1 and minus 1%. Did you get your answer? Okay, that's good. Any other brother has any question, Shabab? Please ask. Yes, Shabab. Somebody has the question, please ask. Okay, a lot of brothers they are writing no. Okay, no problem. So still if you have, you can ask, no problem. So
Yes, teacher.
yes, please. Yes.
What about the integration step?
This is just proportional controller. You did not read the question. This is not proportional integral. It is just proportional controller. See here. Proportional controller, it is mentioned here. Check the book. Proportional controller. Did you check the book?
No.
Please check, please.
Okay.
Yes, please.
The lecture is recording.
Yeah, I always put on recording, but inshallah it will work, inshallah. But if it is not working, it is not, I cannot do anything. You got my point? Because with a lot of teachers, this is the case. It is sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not working, But alhamdulillah, until now with us it is working. And I believe inshallah, it will work inshallah. Yes, brother, please read the next problem. 3.6, 3.5, sorry. Next problem is 3.5, please read.
Teacher.
Page 24. Page 24, problem 3.5.
Give us proportional band 25%.
Proportional band 25%. So if the proportional band is 25%, how much KC, Shabab? KC, how much? 4, very
4.
good. Now we are typing 25, 4. Yes, brother, please complete. Yes, brother, please complete it.
Find and draw the output of the controller for the error as ET and
Find and draw the output of the controller for the given error. This error is given, Shabab. So let me draw the error. Error is given. Error is given like this. Right, Shabab? So this is the given error. This is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes the time is going, and we need to draw the output for this error. So we all know, that the formula, this is again, we are just doing the proportional controller. So what is the formula for the proportional controller? Yes, Shabab, what is the formula for the proportional controller? M is equal to KCE plus MR. Right? Okay, here MR is not given, so it means assume it's 0. So M is equal to how much KC, Shabab?
multiply
4. We just found it here. That's what a lot of brothers they are writing 4. So 4 into error, and this is 0. MR we are taking 0, so it is 4E. Right, Shabab? So whatever is the error is there, multiply with 4. Right, Shabab? So whatever the error is there, multiply it with 4. Okay. So here error from 0 to 1 error is 1. So multiply it with 4. So this is 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, like this. So here it will be 4, like this. Okay, then we will sit here. 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 2 it becomes 2. So 2 into 4 again, how much about? 2, 4, 8. So it will come here 8. Then it goes to 3. 3 into 4, 12. Then it comes back. Here it is 2 again. So 2 into 4, 8. Then it goes back. Right, Shabab? So 4 into 1, 4. And then it goes like this and come to 0, because 0 into 4, 0. So exactly it will, because it is proportional, no MR is 0. So it will, as whatever the error is there, exactly it will be the same, will be the output. just with multiply with 4. Why 4? Because the gain is 4. So it is MR is 0, so M is equal to 4E. So wherever, whatever is the error, multiply it with 4. Shubha with me?
I guess our
Lot of
question.
brothers, they are writing yes. Yeah. What is your question, please? Please ask.
I guess in our question the error begin with 3.
No problem. No problem. That question, this question, same. No problem.
Concept, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of brothers, they are asking, give some more questions. Even yesterday, some brother were asking, give some more questions. So you can think it is a separate question. That is separate question. So you can practice both. No problem. Yes, brother. Any question up to here? Okay, that's good. A lot of brothers, they are saying no question. Okay. Now imagine MR is also given. Now imagine MR is given and MR is 4. Imagine Shabab, MR is given and MR is 4. Now what would be the output? What would be the output now?
4A plus M4.
4E plus 4. Right, Shabab? 4E plus 4. Okay. Now how we will bring this 4 here? Everywhere, wherever the output, add 4 in it. Right? Right, Shabab? Okay. 4 plus 4 here, 8. Then 4, here it is 8 plus 4, 12. Then here it is 12 plus 4, 16. Then here it is again 12, add 4. Then here it is how much? 8, 12. Then here 4, here 4, here. Everywhere, wherever output is without MR, just add 4. Shubha with me?
Yes, yes.
That's good. Lot of brothers are writing yes. So what does it mean? MR is doing what? What the MR is doing, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab. What MR is doing?
Increasing, just output.
MR is shifting the output up. If the MR is positive, here MR is luckily positive. See, positive MR. It is shifting the output above. Right, Shabab? With me? Original output without MR, the output is this, the blue color. This is without MR. MR is 0. MR is 0. How much MR is here? How much is MR here? 4. Right? So, what does it mean? That whatever is the MR, amount of MR, if it is positive, it will shift up. Shubha with me? That's good. A lot of brothers they are writing yes. Now imagine in industrial control there is no minus MR, there is no negative MR. Imagine theoretically there is a minus MR. Then what will happen with the output? Very good, very good. Brother Ali Al Awad is writing it will go down. Yes, it will go from here to here. If the MR is minus, it will come here. Right, Shabab? So it will go down. Shubha with me? So that's what we say. Again, negative MR we don't have. We can just have positive MR. But theoretically, just for the knowledge test, if it is negative, it will move down. So this is the output without MR, MR 0. This is the output with MR 4. Any question up to here, Shabab? That's good. A lot of brothers they are writing no question. Okay. Okay, Shabab. Now imagine this error and output is given. What is Shabab? Error and output is given like this. This is error, this is the output. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Now we need to find KC, MR, PB. That's what we all need to find.
First, we have n, which is 8.
Sorry?
I guess we have n.
Now these two, error is given, output is given. Luckily we just solved them, but imagine we don't know anything. You know? So how much is the
I guess we cannot find MR. We have 2. Oh, I can imagine MR equal 0.
how you can imagine?
There is no shifting there or something like that.
So see here, for 1 minute, Shabab, imagine MR is 0. As our brother is saying, imagine MR is 0. Right?
Yes.
Imagining. What is the change in error, change in output? What is the change? Sixteen. This is 16 minus 8. Right, Shabab? What is the change?
16 minus 4.
16 minus 4. That's good. What is the change here?
0.
3 minus 0. How much?
3 will be 4.
4. So how much is the gain? 4. Right? Lot of brothers are writing 4. That's good. Shabab with me? Now, if the gain is 4, this is the error. Error is how much? 1. So 4 into 1, output should be what?
Will be
4. How much is the output here?
8.
8.
So if we
Oh,
assume MR is 0, the output should be like this.
Yes.
Output should be this blue. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? We assume MR is 0. We found the gain. Total change in error, total change in output. We get the gain 4. If there MR is 0, output should be like this, because gain is 4, so multiply with 4 here, multiply here, so it should be the blue one, not the black one. Shabab with me? Shabab with me?
Yeah, teacher, Uday.
That's good. A lot of brothers they are writing yes. Now, what does it mean? It means it has been shifted up. It has been shifted up. Right, Shabab? So how much it is shifted
Yes,
up?
yeah.
4 will be 4.
So MR is how much, Shabab? How much is MR?
Teacher.
4. Because we just discussed, if the MR is positive, it will go up. And if MR is negative, it will go down. Right?
Yes.
So that is
Yes,
again, we cannot have a negative MR. That is, but theoretically we are just talking. So it has been shifted up 4. So it means MR is 4. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, brothers.
Using for KC, it's the
A lot
same,
of brothers there.
teacher.
Sorry.
For KC, the same as KP, gain controller.
No, KP is the process gain. That is different. This is KC controller gain. We are talking about the controller, not about the process. Okay, Shabab. Can we find the PB now?
Teacher.
Can we find the PB?
Teacher, I
Yes,
have a
yes.
Yes, please
question.
tell me how to find it. Yes, please tell me. 100 over? Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing. 100 over KC is
Gain.
4. So 25%.
Teacher,
Yes, Shabab. Yes, please.
I have a question.
Yes, please, please.
How you can find the KC first point?
See, KC, we found it. See here. What is the total change in error? What is the total change in error?
3.
Yes, brother, tell me. Maximum is 3. Minimum is how much? 0. So how much change?
3 change.
3. See here. 3 minus 0. Right? Okay. How much change in the output? Here 16. Here 4. 16 minus 4, how much?
Okay, teacher, I got it.
That's good. 16 minus 4, 12. So 4.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Yes, brothers. Any brother has any question, please ask.
Thing is clear.
Yes, that's good. MashaAllah. So the bottom line
Teacher,
is the data. Sorry.
teacher, broadband and MR, how can I find it, teacher?
See here. See here. What is the gain? 4. So what is the formula for the proportional band? PB
100 over gain.
is equal to 100. So PB is 100 over 4. That is 25%.
Clear.
You got it?
Yes, clear, teacher.
That's good. So the bottom line, Shabab, if the data is given, we can draw the output. This one way. If the error and output is given, we can bring the data. So both ways we can work. Shabab with me?
Teacher,
Yes.
How can I graph with the probe band?
Yeah, we just did in the starting. The proportional band was given. We found the KC and error was given. So we draw the output. You get it? The KC was the proportional band was given in the question. Please read the question. I believe you are not reading it. Proportional band given. We find the KC, multiply with the error. We get the output. Then we add the MR. Then from the given curves we find the data. So we did both ways.
Okay.
Yes, Shabab. And that's good. Okay, brother. Please read the next question. Problem 3.6. Yes, Shabab, please read the next question.
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
In the
please
figure-
read the next question.
Yes, in the figure shown as follows, LT is a level transmitter, pneumatic output, and LIC is a level controller, pneumatic output. Okay. Draw the PID diagram for the given book diagram.
So this is our always famous, all-time famous rooftop tank, Shabab. The fluid is coming in it, right? And here we have a level transmitter, the differential pressure type, and here we have level controller, LC level controller. The set point is there. This is PV, right, Shabab? Here we put a pump, and then here we have a valve, control valve is there, like this. Is it PID? Is it PID diagram, Shabab?
PID diagram.
No, it is not PID diagram. Output of the level transmitter is what? Yes, Shabab, what is the output of the level transmitter?
Pneumatic?
Pneumatic. Signal?
No, electrical.
This is not electrical signal even. This is just something, some line. So we make it pneumatic. Is it pneumatic signal, Sabab?
Yes, yes.
Yes, pneumatic teacher, but controller teacher electric.
Yes, Shabab. Output of the controller is what? Pneumatic or electric?
Electric teacher.
Read the question. Pneumatic. Lot of brothers they are writing pneumatic. Is this pneumatic signal? Is it pneumatic signal, Shabab?
Make it
No.
pneumatic.
We need to make it pneumatic. So again, we'll do this thing. Pneumatic signal. Right, Shabab? Is this loop complete now? Yeah, Shabab. Lot of brothers they are writing no. So what is missing?
Normally
Valve teacher, valve. Valve,
Valve.
normally open or close.
Very good. Valve is what is the type of the valve? Even you make the loop with the gold, with the diamonds, type of the valve is not there, it is not completed. Okay, Shabab, what is the type of the valve? Let's say the type of the valve is like Air to open. What does it mean, Shabab? Air to open. It is normally closed or normally open?
Auto, I guess.
Air to open. So it is normally closed or normally open?
It's pneumatic, teacher.
Normally open, teacher.
Normally open.
Air to open. It
Normally
needs air
closed.
to get open. Normally closed. Very good. Lot of brother, they are writing Muhammad Sharif. Other brothers, they are writing normally closed. If it is normally closed, what does it mean? It needs air to get open. So air to open. If it is air to close, it means it is normally open and it needs air to get closed. So when we are saying air to open, what does it mean, Shabab? Normally closed. It needs air to get open. It needs air to get open. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
That's good. Okay, Shabab. Now this is direct acting controller or reverse acting controller. Give your logic, get the first. Direct acting or reverse acting. Which one is this?
Direct, teacher.
Give your logic. Lot of brothers, they are writing reverse. So if you are saying direct, give your logic. What is your logic?
Because it's down, the valve coming down. And
No, this is not the logic. This is not the logic. So what is our procedure, Shabab? You remember the 4-step procedure? We have a 4-step procedure to find it is direct or reverse. Remember, Shabab?
We suppose the number for set point and BV.
Very good. Very good. So tell me, please tell me what is set SP. Give me some number SP.
55.
Huh?
55.
Make some big number. I wanna give you A plus. Make some big
90.
number.
75.
Still 75. I wanna give you A plus.
90, teacher. 400.
Oh, when my brother is saying 75, I have to take it. Yes. What is PV?
65.
65. Okay. Sorry. Signal here more than needed, less than needed. Here.
Less than needed.
We hit 75, it is 65. So less than needed, right? Less than needed. We need to open the valve more or less. We wanna raise it to 75. So we need to close the valve more or less? More. They're writing more. That's good. So we need to close this valve more. It is a normally closed valve, air to open. Normally closed. If we remove the signal, it will get automatically closed, right? So we need to reduce the signal or increase the signal. Increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease the signal. Both arrowheads are down, right? If the both arrowheads are down, it is direct or reverse, Shabab? Direct. A lot of brothers, they are typing direct. So it is direct. Any question up to here, Shabab?
Teacher.
Yes.
How can I know the signal is up or down from
Which
the
signal?
valve? From the
You
valve.
want to open the valve or you want to close the valve?
Normally close, teacher.
You want to close it. So that 65 will raise to 75, right?
Yes.
You want to close the valve. This valve is normally closed. If you remove the signal, it will get closed automatically. Right? So you will decrease the signal. So valve will automatically close. That's what you want. So you decrease the signal, the valve will get closed, and the water level, the fluid level will raise to 75%. Yes, Mark. Any other question?
خمسة خلاص من هذه ودي سلكين في ساعة بس.
Yes. Yes, brother. Yeah, very good. One brother is asking if the valve is normally open, then what will happen? Okay, no problem. Take the valve normally open. So you want to take the same values or you want to change the values?
Change the values.
Change the values. Tell me. Tell me, someone.
65.
Huh?
65.
95. Yes, good. Yeah, but please. 70. Lot of brothers, they are writing 70. So here the signal is more than needed, less than needed. Here, EV, more than needed or less than needed, Shabab? Less, that's good. Less than needed. Right now it is 70, we want it 95. Okay. So we need to open the valve more or less? Now it is
Yes.
normally open. That is air to
Yes.
close. We wanna open the valve or close the valve?
More.
We want what? Close or more? Close or open? Close. Lot of brothers are coming close. Because right now it is 70, we want to bring 95. We want to raise it, right? So we need to close this valve. This valve is normally open. If we decrease the signal, it will get open. So we need to increase or decrease.
Decrease, I guess.
Increase. So when we normally open, if we remove the signal, it will start open, right? So we need close it. So we will increase the signal. Opposite side, right? So it is reverse, no more direct. So when this valve was normally closed, see here, it was direct. When this valve become normally open, it become reverse. Any question up here, Subhab? Lot of brothers, they are saying yes. Yes, brother, any question here, please? Any brother has any question, Shubham? That's good. Lot of brother, they're saying no. Yeah, Shabab, every brother is preparing for the exam. All the brothers, they are preparing for the exam, Shabab. That's good. That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. Yeah, Shabab, which one is the most stable? Blue, black, red. Which one is the most stable function?
Blue teacher, blue.
Blue is the most stable. This one is the most stable. Which one is the most unstable?
Red teacher.
Red. That is the most unstable. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing. This one is more stable as compared to this and less stable as compared to this. Right, Shabab? What is error here, Shabab? If we say this is, for example, 5, what is error here?
5, teacher. Constant.
5. You can say percent. What is error here, Shabab? Here, what is error? Some brothers they are writing 5 by t, 5t. Where is 5 here? There is no 5 here. It is starting from 0. This is 0, this is 0. Changing with time. That's good. Okay. If it is changing with time, so what does it mean? This is not changing with time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the time it is constant. 5. So there is no t here.
B minus BB.
No t. Here, for example, at 1 it is 1. At 2 it is 2. At 3 minutes it is 3 minutes. Minutes. At 4 it is 4. At 5 it is 5. So what is error here? Okay, tell me what is slope. Slope is not the error. Slope is just the you can say the number, the constant with the equation.
Span.
So what is error here? This line has what equation? Can somebody find the equation of this line?
1, teacher, 1.
What is the equation of this line?
Integral, teacher.
Yeah, tell me, a lot of brothers are writing the equation. Tell me here, what is error here equal to? Lot of brothers are writing
Slope, teacher. Slope, teacher. Slope.
writing the formula. A lot of brothers they are sending me the formula. That formula, you take the two numbers, put them in, find the equation.
Teacher, delta E over delta delta T.
That is, again you are telling me the slope. You know the equation of the line. Y minus y1 over y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. Take the equation of the line, take any two numbers, find.
1.
No, not 0, not 1. It is changing
Teacher.
with the time.
Integration,
It is changing
teacher.
with time. See, yes.
Integration for E.
Huh?
Integration.
What is error here? What is error here, Shabab? Take any 2 points. Take this point. Take this point. Find the equation of the line. Yes, Shabab.
Plus 1 over 3 minus 1 would be 1 over 1, D1.
Y minus y1 over y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. If you apply this equation, what you get? Error. Yes, Shabab. Somebody is trying? Somebody is trying, Shabab? Yeah, okay. Some brothers they are writing yes. Okay. Please tell me how much you get. If we apply this equation, we will get the error is equal to t. Can we verify it? Is it really t? If t is 1, how much error? 1. If t is 2, how much error? 2. If t is 3, how much error? 3. If t is 4, how much error? 4. If t is 5, how much error? 5. Shabab with me? Okay. How much is error here now? For this equation, what is error? Here. What is error, Shabab? Error is equal to what here? Yes, Shabab. T is like this straight line. It is not straight line. Lot of brothers they are writing T. T is already here.
T square, teacher.
T square. That's good. T square. T square. Okay, Shabab. This one is the most stable, right? This one is the most
unstable,
Yes.
teacher.
Most unstable. Very good. And this is middle. More stable than this one and less stable than this one. Right? Okay. If we want to go from here, from constant to changing, what we should do mathematically? Yes, Shabab. We have this constant error. We want to bring the t. What we should do? Mathematically, what we should do? Very good.
Great.
Lot of brothers they are writing integral. So if we take the integral of both sides, integration, so we get 5t. So 5 is constant, no problem, but t is there. This t is there. That's what we want. So we need to do the integration from constant to here integration. Again, from t we're gonna get the t square. What we need to do? This is t. We wanna bring the t square.
Again.
So what we need to do? Yes, Shabab. From t to 2t square, what we need to do? Again, very good. Lot of brothers are writing integral again. So we integrate it again. What is the integration of t, Shabab? What is the integration of t?
To A to A to
Power
A.
1 plus
What is the integration of t? T just
To
t
the
square.
square. No square. T square.
over 2, teacher.
Very good. T square over 2. So again the 2 is constant, no problem. So but when we integrate this one, we get the t square. So integration is making system more unstable or stable? Yes, Shabab.
More unstable, teacher.
More unstable. Very good. Integration is making the system more unstable. More unstable. Right? Okay. This is given. T square is given. We want to bring the t. What we need to do?
Derivative, teacher.
Derivative. Was very good. We need to do derivative. And if we are given this one, t, changing t, we want to bring constant. What we need to do? Again derivative. So derivative is doing what, Shabab? Derivative is making more stable or unstable?
Stable.
Stable. That's good. Yes, Shabab. So derivative is making more stable. Integration is making more unstable. Shabab with me? Okay, a lot of brothers they are saying yes. Okay, Shabab. Accelerator. Accelerator in your car. That is integration or differentiation? Accelerator in your car is integration or differentiation?
Integration.
Integration. Very good. And brake in your car is integration or differentiation?
Differentiation.
Brake in your car is what?
Differentiation.
Differentiation. That's good. Very good. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shubham, any question up to here? Somebody has any question? Shubham, remember experiment 6, remember? Shubham? Everybody with me?
Yes.
Experiment 6, remember, lot of brothers saying yes. Okay, proportional band was 100, right? So what does it mean? Kc is 1, right? How much was the error? How much was this error? And non-proportional band 1. So it means Kc is 100. So how much was the error? Constant error. This offset error. Offset error. How much? How much it was? Good. Brother Awad is saying 3%. Very good. 3%. Constant error. Right? How much was how it was looking when the proportional band is 1 and Kc 100? How the arrow look like?
We up and down.
Teacher.
Highly unstable, like this.
Yes.
Remember? Remember, Shabab? Okay. Today we're gonna discuss this case. Today, inshallah, we will discuss this case, and this case we will discuss coming week, inshallah. So, what is the name of this error, Shabab? What is the name of this error?
Stable. Constant.
Constant error is not name. Name is offset error. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing offset. It is written here. I wrote it. It is constant, no doubt. But the constant error, what we say, offset error. Okay. What does it mean? What does it mean? What is our basic motto? What is our objective of the control system, Shabab? What we wanna do? We wanna bring PV as much nearer as possible to set point. Shabab with me? Everybody with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are saying yes. Okay. Now, can it do this objective if we have this controller, proportional controller? This is for proportional controller, right? Proportional controller. Proportional controller. Can we bring PV near to set point with this proportional controller, Shabab? No. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing no. Why not? Error is equal to what? PV minus SP if it's direct action, and SP minus PV if it is reverse action. Right, Shabab? Lot of brothers they are saying yes. Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's good. As soon as I heard the sound, that's make me feel good. Okay, so set point is already constant. Set point always constant. For benzene 95, benzene 91, it is constant. Room temperature 25 degrees centigrade, so it is constant. We are driving our car 120 kilometer per hour, so it is constant. So this PV will change. Now, if the error become constant, how much? 3%. 3%. So what does it mean? It mean what? It mean no PV also become constant. So set point they become both constant. And what is their difference? 3%. Is it possible to bring the PV near to set point? Is it possible, Shabab? No, not possible. A lot of brothers are writing no. Very good. So it is not possible to bring the PV near to a set point. Right, Shabab? So in our real life, we have a lot of examples. For example, whenever there is a very famous example I always give, so for example, this is the Dhahran Mall, right, Shabab? And it is exactly from our college, it is 100 kilometers. Now, if the error is 3 kilometers constant, so it means this is 3 kilometers. So you are somewhere here, always in a circle around the Dhahran Mall, right, Shabab? So can you reach to the Dhahran Mall with the constant error? Is it possible, Shabab, to reach the Dhahran Mall with constant error? No. Now what is the solution? Either you move this way or you move this way. Somehow you change. Either you go this way or you go this way. Somehow you change. Then there is possibility to reach the Dhahran Mall. Right, Shabab? So we need to change this error. This constant error cannot bring PV near to set point. This offset error, constant error, cannot bring PV near to set point. Cannot bring. So we need to change it. How we can change it, Shabab? One brother is saying
Integration.
MR. Sorry?
Integration.
Integration. Is there any other solution before that? So a lot of brothers they are writing change the manual reset. We will change the manual reset. So again, what will happen? If we increase the manual reset, then again PV will start increasing, right? So again the error will be constant there. They are writing change the proportional band. If we decrease the proportional band from 100, what will happen, Shabab? Somebody remember? When we decrease the proportional band, what happens?
Will be change the input, I guess.
The oscillation will increase. A lot of brothers they are typing it. Oscillations will be increased. So the system will be more unstable. The system start oscillating. Right, Shabab? And if we do the manual reset up to some extent, it is like you can say nowadays it is not possible even go and manually reset or just we have to have something that start make it change. Because if we apply just a constant manual reset, it doesn't matter. It will become again error will become constant, right? So we need to change it. To change mean what? From here we want to make it like this. From black we want to make it red. So what is the solution, Shabab? We have one our brother told us. A lot of brothers are writing here. Integrate it. That's what we already seen. Integrate it. So from here get there. Integrate it. So from where we get the concept of integral control action. Integral control action. A lot of places integral also written as reset. Reset control action. Right, Shabab? So here what happens? Output of the controller is proportional to integral of error. Output of the controller is proportional to integral of error. So whenever there is a proportionality, there is a constant. So here the constant is Kc. Right, Shabab? What is this error? This is offset error. Offset error or constant error. Can we integrate forever? So give me 1 minute. Yeah, Shabab. Can we integrate forever? You can push the accelerator of your car forever.
No.
So we need a time. How we push the accelerator? We push it in repeats or we push constantly? Yeah, Shabab.
Repeats.
Integral time. So we push the accelerator in repeats or we just constantly push it?
Repeat, teacher.
Repeats. We push it, leave it, push it, leave it. So that's why this integral time has a unit, minute per repeat. Shabab with me? So this is integral time, minutes per repeat. This is offset error, E. This is not any error. It should be offset error, constant error. Any question up to here, Shabab? Lot of brothers, they are saying no. Okay, brother. Can we have just integral action? Can we start with the integral action? Or we need something before it? Lot of brothers, they are writing no. Very good. So what we need before it?
Manual rest, teacher.
Proportional action.
Very good. Why we need proportional action? Why? We are applying the integral action on this error, offset error, right? Right, Shabab? Now this offset error is coming from where? This offset error is who's producing this offset error? This offset error is being given by proportional action. Remember, Shabab?
From the steady state, I guess.
We apply the, very good, lot of brothers they are writing yes. We apply the proportional action that gave us this constant error, offset error. Because of this offset error, now we are applying the integral action, right? So altogether, we have to have output of PI controller, proportional integral controller is equal to MP plus MI, right, Shabab? How much is MP? What is the formula for MP?
KCE plus MR.
Very good. KCE plus MR. What is the formula for the integral action?
KC over, I guess.
KC over TI, integral T1 to T2 E dt. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. Yes, brother, please ask. Yes, Shabab, any question, please ask. Okay, Shabab, please read the problem 3.7, page 26. Yes, Shabab, please read the question 3.7, page 26.
Teacher.
Yes, please.
In testing a BI controller with a proportional gain of 2 and
Proportional gain 2.
integral time of 2 minutes per repeat. Constant
Integral
error,
time 2 minutes per repeat.
constant error of 4%.
Okay, constant error 4%.
Yes.
So the constant error is given, Shabab, like this. So this is at time 1 minute, it becomes 4% error. Yes, brother.
Continue.
Yeah, please complete it.
Is applied as shown in figure as follows. Determine
This figure. Yes.
the controller output due to proportional action.
So we need to find MP and draw. Then
Controller output due to integral action.
MI and draw. Then
3. Sketch the controller output.
so then we need to find the total output MPI and draw. This is our task for this given error. Yes, Shabab. So how we should start it? Yes, brothers, how we should start it?
0 and 0 with
How we should start it?
4%.
Yes, Shabab, how we should start it? Brother Awad is writing find errors. Before error, what we should do? How many parts this curve has? This curve has how many parts, Shabab? Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 2 parts. Which one? T is less than equal to 1, greater than equal to 0 minutes. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? That's good. A lot of brothers are writing yes. So what is here? T is here what?
T greater than 1.
Very good. T is greater than equal to 1 minute. What is error here?
0.
0. Very good. 0%. What is error here?
4.
4%. Very good. What is always first up? Always. First up.
MB.
MP. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing MP. MP is equal to what, Shabab?
KCE plus MR.
KCE plus MR. How much KC? KC is how much?
2.
2. What is error?
0.
0. Very good. How much MR?
MR
How much MR, Shabab?
0.
0. It is not given.
0.
That's very good. Brother, they are writing 0. It is not given. So it is not given. Take it 0. So how much? 0%. Altogether 0%. Okay.
Yes.
Same first step here. How much? KC.
2.
1 multiply 4.
How much is KC?
2 multiply 4, teacher.
2 multiplied by 4. 8%. Is that correct, Shabab?
Yes.
That's good. Lot of brothers are writing yes. Very good. Always second step. It is which type of controller is this? PI, right?
My teacher, yes.
So output of integral controller equal to what?
KC over TI.
KC over TI integral
Integral.
T1 to T2 error 0 dt. What is T1 here? What is T1? 0, T2 1. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing it. So as soon as error is 0 here, we say it is 0. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Okay, same step we're gonna do here. MI. How much KC, Shabab? How much KC?
2.
2. Very good. How much TI?
2.
TI is how much, Shabab? Lot of brothers are writing 2. That's good. Integral error 4 dt. So what is here T1?
1.
T1 is what here?
1.
1. See, this is 1. And how much is here? T2.
T.
T2,
T.
teacher.
Very good. We don't know this one still. Still we don't know, so we put the T. Still we don't know it, so we put the T. So this will cancel with this one. 4 will come out. T minus 1. Right, Shabab? This 4 we take common. T minus 1. So
Yes.
up to here, we are doing the mathematics. As soon as we move from this color to here, it is mathematics. It is not industrial control. It is not industrial control. It is basic mathematics. Okay. Always the third step. Yes, Shabab, what is third step? Very good.
Find MPI.
MPI. MP
0,
plus
teacher.
MI. Luckily,
Zero.
MP is here 0, MI is 0, so 0%.
Yes.
MPI here. MPI. M, how much? MP is how much? 8. Plus this one. 4T minus 1. How much above? 4T plus. How much above? 4T plus
4. Papa teacher. 40
4.
minus 4.
teacher.
You have mistake, teacher.
Huh?
You have mistake.
Sorry?
No, teacher. It's good, teacher. I understand.
Oh, no problem, no problem. Take your time. That's good.
No, I think.
Any brother has any question? Any brother has any question up to here, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers they are typing no. That's good. Okay. Now we need to draw it. Right, Shabab? So he is saying, what was the question? Find the proportional action and draw it. Then find the integral action and draw it. And then find the MPI total output and draw it. So let's start with the proportional action. MP. From 0 to 1, how much is MP, Shabab? From 0 to 1, what is MP? 0. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 0. So here it is 0. From 0 to 1, it is 0. Good. 1 onward, how much it is? How much it is 1 onward? 8% constant. Say constant with it. 8% constant. Lot of brother, mashallah, they are writing 8. 8% constant. Not changing with the time. So we take this 8%. constant, like this. Right, Shabab? This is MP, output due to proportional action. Then we need to draw the MI, output due to integral action. Minutes. From 0 to 1. How much is MI, Shabab? From 0 to 1, how much MI?
0%.
Zero, teacher.
So, 0. After 1, how much MI? After 1, this is the MI, 40 minus 1. This one. Yes, Shabab.
40 minus
It
4.
is at 1, how much MI? MI at 1 is how much? 0, very good. So put here T 0. This is T is what? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 4, 1 minus 1, that is 0. What is the second point? This is 1. So what would be the second point, Shabab? So let me write it here, the third step. MPI is 8 plus 4T minus 4, that is 4T plus 4%. Yes, Shabab, what is the second point for MI? What is the second point for MI?
The repeat minus 1.
How you get the 3? How we get this 3, Shabab? How we get this 3?
And repeat.
1 plus 2 teacher. 1
Very good. What is the integral time here? Ti. A lot of brothers are writing Ti. So integral time is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Right? What is the integral time, Shabab? 2 minutes per repeat. So 2 plus 1, 3. So how much is 3? 4, 3 minus 1. How much, Shabab? 8%. Is it correct, Shabab? Is it correct? Is it correct, Shabab? 8%? Shabab with me? Okay, that's good. So, at
Teacher.
1, yes.
The last step, it's not clear. Can you repeat it, please?
What is not clear? Please ask the question.
Here, 3. How we...
What is the integral time?
3?
What is the integral time?
What is it?
You tell me what is the integral time. Lot of brothers they are writing 2.
2.
Did you see the question in the book?
Yes, yes, it's here.
So we see there what is the integral time.
Two.
So 2 plus 1?
3.
3. That's why we are finding the 3.
So that's why how we get 3.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
You are welcome. So now we need to draw it. Okay, Shabab. So at 1, this is 0, this is 1. At 1, what is the value? What is the value is 1? 0. At 3, it becomes 8%. So imagine this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So at 3, it becomes 8%. So how the line will go? Like this or straight line? It is with T. See here. This is with T. T minus 1. So it will, T mean what? It is changing with the time. So when it is changing with the time, the line should be like this. This straight line, Shabab. Like this. Shabab with me? Shabab with me?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Okay, that's good. Lot of brothers they are saying they are typing yes. Okay. Now we need to draw total output. MPI. From 0 to 1, what is MPI, Shabab?
0.
0. Very easy. Zero. 0 to 1. Okay, Shabab. Come this side. At 1, how much? MPI at 1, how much? 4 into 1 plus 4. How much, Shabab? Lot of brothers are writing 11. That is not correct in the book. See this one. 8%. Right, Shabab? Okay. What is the second point? M of 3, how much?
15.
15, teacher.
16. Very good.
And we get 100, teacher.
Sorry?
We get 100 equal and get T for 100. Huh?
Why you are going to 100?
Because I want to.
It becomes 8%, Shabab. At 1, it becomes 8%. It goes to 8. And at 3, it becomes how much? 16%. Again, dotted line is just reference. It does not have any value. We just need to draw the solid line. Dotted lines are the reference. So this is our total MPI. Right, Shabab? We can get it mathematically after solving it, or we can get also from here directly. This is MP, this is MI. See here, this MP, this MI. Add them. From 0 to 1, what is MP? Yes, Shabab. From 0 to 1, what is MP?
In the book, MI is different.
What?
In the book, MI is different.
You do the question in the book, no problem. This is different question.
Oh, okay.
So what is MP from 0 to 1? From 0 to 1 minute, what is MP, Shabab? Very good. What is MP, MI? From 0 to 1, what is MI? 0. Both are 0. 0 plus 0, how much? 0. Shabab with me? So we can draw the MPI. We can draw MPI directly by adding this. At 1, what is MP at 1? At 1 minute, what is MP? 8. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are typing 8. What is MI at 1? At 1, what is MI, Shabab? 0. Lot of brothers, they are typing 0. That's good. So 8 plus 0, how much? 8. See, it is 8. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? That's good.
Yes, yes,
they are typing here. Okay, at 3 minutes, how much is MP? At 3 minutes, what is MP at 3 minutes? At 3 minutes, 8. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are typing 8. What is MI at 3 minutes? At 3 minutes, what is MI? 8. That's good. Lot of brothers, they are typing 8. So 8 plus 8, how much? 8 plus 8, how much, Shabab? Lot of brothers, they are typing 16. So 8 plus 8, 16. That's it. So you can add both of MP and MI and you can get this one. So you can add MP and MI and you can get this one, MPI. Or from here, you can add and you can put the values. So whichever way you like, you can go both ways. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? So let me repeat once again. If you have missed anything, please try to understand now. Okay, Shabab. What happens? We were given Kc was given 2, integral time was given 2 minutes per repeat, right? Shabab with me? Shabab with me? That's good, a lot of brothers. Yes. So we need to find output due to proportional action and draw. We need to find output due to integral action and draw. And we need to find MPI and draw. Okay. So what we did? This error is given. This error is given. So how many parts of this curve, Shabab? Shabab, how many parts for this curve? Shabab with me? 2 parts. Lot of brothers are writing 2. That's good. So 1 is from 0 to 1. What is error from 0 to 1? What is error from 0 to 1, Shabab? 0. That's good. And after 1, what is error? 4. That's good. So we come here. T is less than equal to 1, greater than equal to 0, error is 0. T is greater than equal to 1, error is 4. So with me? That's good. A lot of brothers are typing yes. Where are the typing brothers? Nobody is replying no. Shabab, please reply.
We are here, teacher. How are you?
That's good. That's good. That make me feel better. So here error is 0. Here error is 4. MashaAllah, a lot of brothers now they are typing. Okay. So always first step. Sorry?
I have confusion, teacher.
Yes, please ask. Yes,
What
please,
teacher?
please.
If T between 0 and 1, we got error 0. Why, teacher?
Sorry?
Why if A between 0 and 1 in the first part, we got E0?
Yes.
Why, teacher?
See here. That's what is given. Error is 0 here. This is 0. This is 4%. This dotted line does not have any value. This dotted line does not have any value. So you want to remove it, you can remove it. So here error is what? What is error here?
0.
0, right?
Yeah.
And what is error here?
4.
See here.
And I understand.
That's good. That's good. So here error 0, here error 4. So always first step, output due to proportional action. So we put the formula, we put the values, we'll get 0. Same here, always output due to proportional action. So we put the gain here, values here, the error here, MR is 0, 8%. Right, Shabab? Always second step, integral action. Output due to integral action. We write the formula, we write the values, we get 0. Here again, output due to integral action. Luckily, gain is 2, Ti is 2 minutes per repeat, error is 4 dt. So we cancel it 4t minus 1, like this. Then the third step, always MPI. So output due to proportional action, integral action, add them. Output due to proportional action, integral action, add them. We get 4t plus 4. Now we need to draw them. So we draw the MP from 0 to 1, it is 0, 1 onward, it is 8. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they're saying yes. We drew the MI from 0 to 1, again it is 0, and for 1 we calculate the values. At 1 it is 0, at 3 it is 8%. So we made it at 1, 0, 3, 8%. Now this one MPI we can draw by adding these two directly, or by bringing the values from here, we can draw it here. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any brother has any question, Shabab? Please ask. Okay, lot of brothers, they are writing here. No?
Teacher,
So,
I have a question.
yes, please.
In the
Yes.
lab, teacher, you bought 100, teacher. Can you...
Sorry?
In the lab, teacher.
Okay.
You bought after we find the error, after the 3 and into 1 and 3, we find 100. You bought 100 equal, so we find T when the get the
I got your question. Sabar,
Yeah.
sabar. I got your question. I got your question, brother. In the lab, when we were doing it, this value went more than 100. You remember
Yeah.
that?
Yes.
Here it is not going more than 100. So we don't need to find the 100. You got my point?
Yes.
If this, we're going to solve a lot of problem for this one, don't worry. If the second value is going more than 100, then what we do? We find the 100 and we make it straight line, right? Here, it is not going more than 100. So here we don't need the step. You got my point?
Yes, I get it.
Okay, that's good. Now, Shawab, what are the common mistakes the people do when they draw it? Please see here. Everybody see here, Shawab. Now, somebody will increase this one like this. No problem. This is a little more. Is it correct like this? No, it is not correct. Why? How much is your repeat? One repeat, 2 minutes. Right, Shabab? What is integral time? 2 minutes per repeat. So if you want to increase it, you have to go up to where? This is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So you have to go up to 5. So my suggestion, don't go up to 5, just stop here. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? So you have to, lot of brothers, they're saying yes, once again. One brother, two, 3 brothers, they're saying once again. Okay, no problem. How much is one repeat, Shabab? How long is one repeat? Yes, Shabab, how long is one repeat?
2, teacher.
2, very good. The brother Ali Awad is writing 2 minutes per repeat. Integral time is 2 minutes per repeat. So if you wanna go more, 3 plus 2, how much? This is 3, right? 3 plus 2, 5. So you have to go up to 5. So you cannot say up to here. No, you have to go up to 5. So my suggestion, just keep one repeat. That's it. Shabab with me? Brother Awad, you got it? That's good. Lot of brothers there.
Again, please.
How much is one repeat? Tell me. How long is one repeat? Yes, brother, tell. How much is one repeat? Two. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 2 because the integral time is 2 minutes per repeat. So 3 plus 2, how much?
5.
5. So if you want to go more, go up to 5. Otherwise, just stop here. Right?
Yes, teacher, right.
That's it. So that's what I want to say. So don't just keep it one repeat. So this is one repeat. From 1 to 3, 3 minus 1, 2 minutes, one repeat. Don't go more than that. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher, yes, with you.
Yes, any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. You guys have any question up to here?
Teacher,
Yes.
the midterm will be at here, right?
Sorry?
Midterm. Will be
Yes,
under
midterm
this.
is up to here. Very good question. Yes, Shabash. Midterm is up to here. Yes.
Teacher, can you again explain how to draw it?
Which one?
All.
Now you just draw it by yourself, right? Try it by yourself. If you don't get it, then you again ask me, no problem. You got my point?
I don't understand.
You ask me the question, what you don't understand? Tell me the question.
How to draw it?
No, that's what I'm saying. You watch this video again, right? You see it, you watch it. If you don't understand it again, you ask me, no problem.
How
You got
ask
my
you?
point?
The exam will be in the Monday. How ask you?
Sorry?
The exam will be in the Monday. How ask you? Not
Yeah, no
meet you.
problem, no problem. No. That's what I'm saying. I will put this video on the internet. You watch this video, and again, if you have any question, no problem. You ask me. If you need meeting with me, we can arrange the meeting, no problem. You just send me the mail. You don't understand, I will give you the time for the meeting. So we can meet on Blackboard again. No problem. You got my point?
Okay.
Yeah. Because it is already, I explained it already 3 times. You got my point? So you watch it again. I will put inshallah on YouTube. So you watch it again. If you are not understanding it again, you ask me, you send me the mail. We will arrange the Blackboard meeting again. No problem. Any brother, whoever has any questions about, please go through the videos again. If you have any questions, you give me like email, send me the email, or there is a brother Sajjad. He has the whole group, industrial control group. So you ask him, he will send me the mail, or you can directly send me the mail. So what we will do, we will arrange a meeting on Saturday, no problem, Sunday, no problem. So we will arrange a meeting, and whatever questions you guys have, we will reply them inshallah. Shabab with me? Everybody's there, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Midterm will be theory, right? There is no multiple choices.
No, there is no multiple choice. You need to answer the question.
How many questions teacher will be there?
Sorry?
How many questions will be there?
Then I will put the exam. Then I will see how many questions should be there.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but it is 1 hour exam. So, whatever can be solved in 1 hour, that will be the exam, inshallah. And again, Shabab, lot of brother, they have, like, you can say, as soon as they see the exam, they get panicked. So no need to get panic. It is very easy exam, inshallah. And try to solve it as much as possible. Shabab with me. And try to do as much as you can do. Right, Shabab?
Yes, teacher. Okay. Yes, thank you, teacher.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Shabab, once again, let me say it once again. Whoever brother has any question, whichever your question, first of all, please see the videos. If you still, after that, you have a question, no problem. You send me the mail, or you send message to the brother Sajjad, your group, we can arrange meeting on Saturday, we can arrange on Sunday, so to answer your questions. So please don't hesitate, but before you are asking the question, please make sure you have watched the video. Right, Shabab?
Teacher.
Yes.
What the chapters with us in midterm?
Sorry?
what the chapter with us in the midterm?
That's from first day until now. Whatever we have discussed, that is included. Don't go by chapters. Whatever from the first day until today we discussed, that is included.
Okay.
And there are some mistakes in our book that we clear here. So whatever we are doing here on the board, that everything is included. This is the preferred one, Shabab. Whatever we are discussing in the class, that is preferred. In the book, maybe there is some mistake, something wrong there. So whatever we are solving here, that is the correct one. Shabab with me?
Teacher.
Shabab with me? That's good. A lot of brothers, they are writing yes. So whatever we discuss in the class, that is preferred. That is the correct one. In the book, mistakes can be there.
Teacher.
Yes, please.
So now you mean if I understand all what you explain on the board and if I watch the video, that's enough for midterm, right?
Yes, inshallah, inshallah.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. Any other brother, please ask. If you have any questions, Shabab, please ask.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please.
Teacher, can you upload this video today?
Actually, if it comes today, I will upload today. You got my point?
Yes.
Because as soon as we finish the class, it comes after some time. You got my point? So as soon as it will come, I will upload. And if you remember, the last week video before the quiz, I upload on Saturday. You remember that?
Yes, yes.
So as soon as it will come, I will inshallah upload it.
Okay, great, teacher. Thank you.
Any other brother, please ask the question, please.
Can we leave, teacher?
Sorry?
Can we leave?
Yes, yes. If no question, please, please. Thank you very much, Shabab. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, brother. A lot of brothers are saying thank you very much. Thank you very much, Shabab. You guys have a nice weekend. Yes.
I want to say the board on the other side for the old question, teacher.
You mean this one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Shabab. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.
And can I see the graph now, teacher?